Today we're gonna make popsicles! I'm making pineapple popsicle.
And I am making watermelon popsicle.
It's very easy and short. We're gonna need a blender, water, and your favorite fruit. My favorite fruit is pineapple.
My favorite fruit is watermelon and blueberry and banana.
But you don't have banana yet. Just say watermelon.
Yeah, but I like too many fruits.
First we're gonna make pineapple.
Oh, that's so much.
Wait, first we need to add a little bit of water.
Stop!
Now we're gonna blend. Always ask your mom or your dad how to help you.
How do you blend it? That was so scary. That was
So fun. Now we're gonna put it in the ice cream bowl.
Now we're gonna make my watermelon flavor.
Yeah, and with this blender.
Okay. Ready? Now I'm gonna pour it in.
That's just it.
Now I put them back in. It is good. I just taste them.
It's so yummy, right?
Now do we put it in the freezer?
For 3 hours. That's how long my tennis class goes.
Oh my gosh.
In 3 hours, so it's ready now. I can't wait.
That's so fast. That means your tennis class is so fast. That is so yummy.
It's yummier than the other ones.
This is how you make
Fruit popsicles.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.